Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Magna Valley Arsenal. Today we got another special treat for you. I'm going to be showcasing the Ruger SR22, brand new in the box. What we're also going to be comparing that to later is the German sports guns 22 in the 1911. And it's also brand new in the box. Let's open her up. All right, nice. Lock, oh nice, look what this comes with. It's got a different grip, different size, right? Comes with your two magazines. Check it out. Awesome. Nice, look at that. Brand new in the box. Let's check this out. Pretty sure you just take the grip right off. It's rubbery, so don't squeeze on it too hard. So there's that grip, about like that. Here's the second grip it comes with. A little bit different. Let's see what they compare to. There you go. This one's got a little bit fatter grip for your inside your thumb. I think I'll stick with that one. That's how it came. All right, let me get this thing put together. Nice. Check this out. The Ruger SR22. Nice. It does come with a decocker, if I'm not mistaken, which is rare on a 22 from my standpoint. Pretty cool. Nice sights. SR22 logo. Let's throw some rounds downfield. We're just using the stock normal 32 grain rounds, 22 long rifle. Oh, that was smooth. Awesome. Let's just put a few rounds down course and see what it feels like. All right, safety. Remember safety. I'm just shooting a 22, so I don't have my normal big honking earmuffs on. Glasses, gotta have glasses. But I guarantee you it is hot out here, so I forgot my fan. Let's see what happens with this gun. Gonna have some fun. Love the hammer. Oh, wow. Wow. Very nice. Decock, and we're safe. All right, what did we get here? The grouping wasn't really important here, but I hit 3 different spots. This is for Micah, and we were shooting 40 grain Remington Golden Bullet. So that, look at that, that's a pretty big hole for a 22. Keep in mind, I've been hitting this already with larger rounds. Let's see what it did on the back. You can see where my fresh marks were. Yeah, so look at that. That split up pretty quick. It mushroomed real quick. So that's a pretty good round. Gun here, the German sports guns, the 1911 model 22. I want to showcase how it cycles. Again, this is brand new in the box. Let's see what she looks like. Oh man. Nice. There it is. German sports guns 1911. Very nice. You got your LED sights here. All right. This one does not have a decocker, so you got to let the hammer up slow. We're here to compare the SR22 with the German service guns. 22, 1911 model. Come take a look closer. It's got a safety feature here. You can't shoot it without your grip on. It also has a safety for whenever you do have a round in, which we don't yet. Always, you got to think about a 22 rim fire. Never dry fire. You can bend the pin, right? But let's see how this gun compares in the cycling, because that SR22 was fantastic in my book. Your hammer's already back. Your safety. No decock. Let's throw a few rounds downfield and compare. Safe and safety. Safety off. Auto locked open. All right. Again, that was at 60 feet. We shot the SR22 first, and now the 1911 GSG. I wasn't looking for accuracy here, but I did hit it every time. You can see where I hit. I purposely aimed a little higher, but if you can see, I don't know why this would matter, but it's hitting us from Mike a little bit different. Huh. Let's see what the back looks like. That's a lot different, really, because I hit it only 3 times with the SR22 here. It shouldn't make a big a difference, but it is. Well, how about this? Let's see what it will do with a Stinger 22 round. You ready? Okay, this time we've got the CCI Stinger, which is a little bit hotter than the Remington. And then what we're going to do is compare that to the SR22. All right, we're locked and loaded. I could actually feel how hot those were. Okay, never dry fire your 22. All right, so I'll let the hammer down. Now we're loaded with Stingers. They are a little bit hotter than the regulars, the 40s, so 32 grains versus 40. They run a lot harder. We're gonna compare the two weapons, the GSG 1911 with the SR22, and see how they cycle. Cycling is what you need here for defense. So let me pop up several rounds and we'll go and take a look later. But cycling's the key here. All right, we're live. Ten rounds. Now let's compare it to the SR22. All right, here's that gun again. We're live. Love the hammer. All right. Safe and safe. Let's go take a look. Woo! Man. So I hit up here with the 1911, the GSG, and then down here was with that SR22. Man, I don't see too much difference with the size this time. But let's take a look at the back. So there's your difference. This one does hit a little bit harder. You be the judge. But those rounds, they were definitely hotter by far, and kicked harder too. So there's probably a better defense round. Let's go back to the truck. Well, that was fun. Those definitely kicked harder than the Golden Bullets. There is a difference though. Let me show you. As you can see here, the Golden Bullet has a larger projectile at 40 grains, but less powder, whereas the Stinger has a smaller projectile at 32 grains with more powder. So that's why this guy kicked harder and was louder than your traditional over here. So if I were to use a defense round, I would probably go with the Stinger. But either way, they both work perfectly well. This close, 60 feet, it didn't make that much difference, but I recommend either round. You be the judge. Hey, thank you for coming back to Magnum Valley Arsenal. Please subscribe. We got to have subscribers. And please like every video. That affords us more ability to do cool stuff. As you can see, my range is getting more dynamic. We're going to have more toys out here, but we need you guys to watch us, subscribe, and like. I really appreciate you coming here and watching again. And as always, be safe. Don't need anyone getting hurt out there by especially anything that we do or you do. Remember, ear protection, eye protection, and of course, proper gun handling. Thank you, and please come back. Thank you, guys. Oh, I like that. See how it turned black?
Yeah.
That's where I painted it just now. Nice. That's all I wanted to hear.
Where did you get that?